Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm Professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Tsutenkaku. Tsutenkaku Tower is one of the most famous landmarks in Osaka, located in Shinsekai area. The first Tsutenkaku Tower was built in 1912, inspired by the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Many people loved its bold design, but it was taken down during World War II. The current tower was rebuilt in 1956. Tsutenkaku is about 103 meters tall, and you can see all of Osaka from its observation deck. At night, the city lights looks beautiful, and it's a popular spot for tourists. There is also famous statue called Billy Ken on the deck. It is said that if you leave its feet, you will have a good luck. Recently, Tsutenkaku's lights change colors for special events. For example, when the local baseball team, the Hanshin Tigers, wins, the tower lights up in yellow, the team's color. The lights also change for the seasonal events, for there is also something new to see. Around Shinsekai, you can enjoy the traditional Osaka street food like kushikatsu, fried shawers, and takoyaki octopus balls. This area shows a friendly and lovely atmosphere of Osaka. Tsutenkaku is a symbol of the city's unique culture and energy. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.